Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, now we are going to find the food cost percentage. Now here the given cost of food is 14 and the given information is it can be portioned into 10 slices. So the cost per slice will be 14 divided by 10, that is 1.4. And here the given selling price is 16. So the selling price per slice becomes 16 divided by 10, that is 1.6. Now we know that food cost percentage is equal to food cost divided by selling price into 100%. So now we have to substitute the corresponding values. Then the food cost percentage becomes 1.4 divided by 1.6 into 100%. After simplification, this will becomes 87.50%. Therefore, the answer for this question is 87.50. Hope you have understood the solution. Thank you.